calculating the determinant of the third degree is still relatively simple. Here, we make use of the so-called Matrices rule. So what exactly needs to be done? The first two lines, this one and this one, we write down here below, here and here. We will begin by multiplying along these specific diagonals. These are the three diagonals we're referring to. This one, and this one. We'll write down the results right here, making sure to keep their signs completely unchanged. And then, for these other diagonals, we'll record the results here, but this time with their signs reversed. This is how it works. First, we'll follow this diagonal line. We multiply 2 by 1, then by -2, which results in -4. And we'll write down the outcome right here. It comes out to -4. Next, 0 times -1 is 0, and 0 times -1 is 0. We write the result here, 0. Next, -2 times 3 is -6, and times -1 is +6. We write the result here, +6. Now, we multiply along these diagonals. Let's start. -1 times 1 is -1, times -2 is +2. I write the result here, changing the sign to -2. That's the rule. Next, along this diagonal, -1 times -1 is +1, times 2 is +2, and I write the result here, changing the sign to -2. -2 times 3 is -6, and times 0 is 0. The sign here no longer matters, right? At 0. I don't have to write -0, I can write +0, or I don't have to write it at all. You can omit 0 in addition and in subtraction. I'm summing all these numbers now. -4 plus 6 is 2, -2 is 0, -2 is -2, and that is the result. The result came out to -2. This determinant of the matrix is equal to -2.